Welcome back to the O Show. Everything crypto and NFTs every day. And it's over. The crypto bull run is over. I'm just kidding. I don't really think it's over. I think we're just seeing kind of like a low in the market because of all the craziness by our public servants. Like yesterday, we did kind of a recap on the DOJ, the FBI, the SEC, the DTCC, like literally everything. Like right now, crypto is just getting beat up so badly in the United States of America. It's like, it is absolutely unreal, like literally unreal. Like in other countries, like in Hong Kong and in Singapore and in Dubai, like it's just so much different. Like they actually care about innovation. And yeah, crypto is still a very early, like young industry. Like there's still a lot of immaturity. There's still a lot of insanity. There's idiots like me on the internet, but we're building something that's just so cool. So it's just so unfortunate to see, people that just blindly rely on the banking system, but they don't with crypto. So it's just very bizarre to me. But at the same time, like we're in this really weird place in America anyways. Like, let's get you out of there. And this is the Lord's Day. This is the Lord's Day. Come on. This is the Lord's Day. But anyways, moral of the story is make sure to like, comment, subscribe, set alerts, yourmom.com. We're going to go ahead and take a look at some altcoin requests. I don't know really how many we're going to go through because I have to see. I have to really kind of see what's going on with Bitcoin. Also, too, I had a long day yesterday. I was at the recording studio yesterday, one of the best in the world. It was an insane experience. I got to bring my daughter. The amount of talent that's recorded, like the rooms that we were in were the same rooms as like Fleetwood Mac and some of your guys' favorite like rock bands. Like it was just insane. Then Lo and I went to the La Brea Tar Pits and we, hung out. And then I went out later because she couldn't come. But anyways, we're going to go ahead and get through as much as we can. I'll see what's seeing with the market. Shout out to Mr. M. Shout out to Mr. M. I'm trying to see. Also, you guys, we have if you want to become a member of the channel, we set it up for people that were not able to do the super chats the super chats. So that's what that's for. If not, that's fine too. But yeah, we do these streams every Sunday around 10 a.m. PST, and we just kind of do like an overall market recap of what's kind of been happening. I also, first and foremost, I do want to give a quick shout out to Chuck on Base. They went ahead and sent another $200 donation to the Self-Care Lab out of Montclair, California. If you guys know, we've been supporting them since like 2020. It's my favorite nonprofit in the world. We use boxing as a form of mental health therapy for inner city kids and for people like me and just anyone in general. And it is a real, true community center. So big shout out to Chuck on Base. I will get back to base in a while. And, because I think that base season could potentially be next. Because right now we have, and this is the crazy thing, we have the whole Consensus, the MetaMask company, which is, alongside Consensus and, Consensus, MetaMask, and the Ethereum Foundation, I believe. They're like in battling with the SEC to basically determine Ethereum is not a security. And they're probably going to use the same case law for the Ripple case. And that's why I said that's so important for XRP. But I really want there to be a base season. And I think there still will be because base is a second layer on top of Ethereum without a token. So I feel like we still will see base season continue and whatnot. But at the same time, it's a little bit worrisome, And as of right now, unless we get a new president, this is going to be the last cycle, in my personal opinion. But anyways, big shout out to Base, to Chuck on Base. They also donated $4,000 to dog charities, which is outstanding. I support the babes. But again, I support projects who support me. We give shout outs on the show. And again, you guys, this show is for entertainment purposes only. Okay. Well, this is just for fun. And if I'm invested in something, I will tell you. If we partner with somebody, I will tell you also. So, also to you guys, all the boys, the Squidgrow boys, they were flexing their watches on the feed last night. You can't see it, but I drew a Squidgrow watch because I'm ridiculous. But anyways, shout out to the Squidgrow community, and I cannot wait for Silent Swap. I cannot wait. Can't wait. But anyways, this is the current state of the market. AR is up 15.5%. OP is up 14.5%. And the market's looking pretty good right now for the daily. So with that being said, let's go ahead and take a look at CoinMarketCap. Nothing too incredibly different over here. Today's cryptocurrency prices increased by market cap 2.38% over the last day, which is pretty significant. And we're now sitting at $2.38 trillion. And some of these coins, they are pumping. They're going crazy. I think Brett made a really nice rebound. Apparently, there was the story about 81% of the wallets, I believe, being controlled by insiders. I don't know what is true, what isn't true. All I know is when you're playing with meme coins, you're basically, it's like you're investing in a pre-sale, and there's always people that have more information than you. Always. Like, meme coins are just as risky. And yes, I don't have my indicators up because I haven't had a chance to redo everything because we've been super busy this weekend. But this is Bitcoin's price action. So we're just going to use naked charts this week. Okay. Now, thus far, we had an opening at $65,000. We're currently trading at about 63. We had a swing wick high to 68.3, and we had a swing wick low to 62.3. Okay, over here. So with that being said, and where's my colors? Why is it not popping up? Come on. Oh, there we go. It's all the way down here. I'm going to go ahead and make him pink because pink is pretty. We like pink. We're girly on the channel sometimes. So anyways, this is kind of what we're seeing. And if you want to zoom out even more, we can take a look at the monthly just to kind of get a different idea of what's happening. We had a massive pump on the monthly since about, or in the last year, August 2023, we've been in an upward trajectory, and there is going to be time for a pullback. And it does look like we may get this candle close red, which is fine by me, because again, this did essentially complete our 20% correction for Bitcoin. This is about a 17-18% correction. And as we've seen past before, this occurred Thursday, 1st October 20th, so October 2020. We had 6 months of straight up. 7 months of straight up. So if we get a gnarly correction, I'm not going to be surprised. Do I think we're going to get one? I'm not 100% sure yet, because this market is way different because we have the Bitcoin spot ETFs. But we did have about a 55% correction with crypto when we were in the last bull run. We got that swing wick high all the way up to about 65,000, and then we dumped to about 30,000, and then we pumped up again to about 68, and then we had a dump all the way down to 17,000, a little bit below that, 15, 16. So we might have a pretty volatile pullback. So even if we did get a larger pullback, let's see where 50 is. 50 would only be at like $37,000 for Bitcoin, which isn't too terribly bad. So the way that I'm looking at this, I'm just chilling. I am watching, I'm chilling, I'm taking profits. When I'm in meme coins, when I'm in pre-sales, we make moon bags. There's a way to ethically take profit. And I think it's important people consider doing that, because we don't know if we're on the verge of this really gnarly crash. I still think we're in the very early stages of the bull run, but at the same time, you could get a 20 to 50% correction in crypto that lasts over a few months. It's just the reality of the situation. And that's not a bad thing. But honestly, if we do lose support at like $59,000, that would be a little bit concerning. It would, because then that would indicate a lot more downside. And again, not too terribly bad. But again, we've been trading really nicely on the weekly. Even though we've seen some red candles, we've held the line nicely at about $60,000. Now, taking a look at the daily is just kind of putting along. This actually kind of looks like a wick-off distribution. I don't feel like going through all of that right now because I'm too tired. I'm still like half asleep from last night because I was up till 11. But overall, we're getting a lot of volatile price action, and we're really kind of just consolidating in this range. Today on the daily, we don't have a whole lot of price action. We did get a swing wick high at about 65,000, but now we're trading back at about 63,000. And then taking a look at the 4 hour is kind of in a downtrend. So for me today, bare minimum, I would just like to see us kind of reclaim about $65,000. That would be the key area for me to reclaim, to be more bullish with Bitcoin. If we don't, that's fine too. Like, I'm not pressed about it any way, shape, or form. So as far as that goes, we have altcoins. They're in, green. Oh my goodness, we got some cuckoo people, gamers in here holding down the fort. Shout out to Mo. Shout out to John. Shout out to Mr. Gamer and Mr. R, of course. Squidgrow? No, Squidgrow. Squidgrow. All right. So that was our Bitcoin update. I do want to take a quick look at Ethereum, and I hope the SEC doesn't completely screw us out of our $10,000 Ethereum. I'm just kidding. I don't know if it's going to hit $10,000 or not. But with Ethereum, if we take a look, we're in this downtrend and we've got this heavy area of support here. So we're on our way up to retest about $3,400. So to me, just as long as we continue to grind up, that's good. I'm now taking a look at Solana. Where is she? Where is she? And why am I taking a look at the larger caps? Well, because number one, I'm holding them. And number two, a lot of you are interested in this type of stuff. Also too, this Solana play that we talked about, I want to say last week, about last week. This played out pretty well. We weren't able to break above resistance here at about 160. We didn't even get to tap 166. Instead, we popped up and we dropped. That's a ascending wedgie thingy. So there's that. But I also want to take a look. I'm going to take some coin requests and we're going to go back to Twitter and take a look at some of those. But again, you guys, we are invested in Khai, which is Kit and Hammer. I love this project. Market cap is at like 73 million. We called it, I want to say like down over here, and it is holding so well. It is holding so well, and it just keeps doing what it's doing. I know they're going to be dropping NFTs and other things soon, but again, we have a line here at about $1.16. We've got a beautiful candle, and really just as long as we can sustain above this trend line, we will continue to move upward. So I'm excited about it. I'm invested, and yeah, that's that. But let's go ahead and take a look at, I'm going to do some coin requests. So if you got some coin requests, go ahead and drop them in the chat. I am going to go to Twitter first. I'm going to head over to this. Hold on. This. And shout out to everybody that's in the chat. Make sure you guys to like, comment, subscribe, set alerts, all of those fun things. Oh, okay. Where's I bookmarked something and I don't know where the hee-haw is. Darn it. It was all over the feed too. It was the Forbes. Okay. Forbes. No good crypto. I just kind of want to go over the list for you guys because I think it's freaking funny. Top latest Forbes. I can't find it. I'll probably have to cover it tomorrow just because I'm like a freaking hot mess. I just don't know where the stupid list went, but I wanted to show you guys because it's from Forbes and it's kind of ridiculous. Like, where is this? Now I'm very interested in this. Ooh. Oh, Mumu apparently is listed on crypto.com. I'll show you guys this over here. That's cool. Is it? I don't know. Let's see what's going on. And that project sounds so funny, Mumu. If you guys were in crypto a long time ago, you know what that is. All right. Shout out to Emily. We absolutely love music NFTs. Where's this damn thing? A lot of people are talking about D-Lord. I don't know too much about that. Let's see. Yeah, I don't know where this little thingamabobber is. It's a stupid little list. Anyways, we'll cover that later. Oh, also too, I'm going to be speaking over at Consensus, and that will be fun. So if you guys are there, come say hi, or mom.com. Now let's take a look at some of the meme coins people are requesting. Shout out to Bunju. I don't know what Magic Internet Cat is, but it's cute. Khai is my kitten coin that I always keep talking about on Twitter. So we got Chuck. We gave a shout out to Chuck for doing being awesome people and donating to Self-Care Lab. So apparently Hermely, Vitalik's family cat, Ran is talking about it. Phil, a friend of mine, said the one of your desires, Bella Gates coin. Okay. Algo meme coins are now listed on Dex Screener. Let's take a look at that. Algo, hold on a second. The hee-haw is this? Let's take a look at Algo and see. Are they here? No, I don't see them. Okay, here are the chains over here. BNB, Ethereum, Chronos, Polygon, Solana Base, Skrill. I don't see. Maybe I'm wrong. Yeah, I don't see. I don't see it. And I'm pissed off about Hiko because that was supposed to do well, so I lost money on that last cycle. Yeah, I don't see Algo coins there, but okay. All right. So we did a lot of the Chuck on base. We'll take a look at their chart. We'll take a look at their chart just because there's lots of them. Chuck, Chick, Chuck, Chucka, 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 Chucka. This is Chuck's chart. It's pumping. So I don't know. Its market cap's only about 5.65. Circulating supply 965 million total market cap. So I don't know if this keeps running upward. It looks really nice, and it's up about 16% in the last 24 hours. So cool. I would just go ahead and double check the wallets and all that stuff. But price looks good. It's in price discovery, which is fantastic. So shout out to the Chuck people. That's the one that's getting requested a lot. And then this person had a really interesting profile picture. So I like the purple hair. That's what I like about it. Apparently there's a dip, based peaches, P-Trump, kitten with soul, blue on base, duko. We'll take a look at duko. I don't know anything about duko, but we'll take a look at it because it was requested a couple times. Make sure you guys smash the like and share this. We've got 320 people in here. Somebody wants BitConnect. Shout out to BitConnect. Also too, shout out to the Squidgrow fam and in the house. We love Squidgrow. You guys, they're freaking awesome. Join the community. They're not only partners of the channel, but I just really like to be in their community. Gamer said the last time the banks went down is when Bitcoin started pumping. First Republic First Bank joins the list of collapsed banks. Don't forget, Hong Kong goes live on April 30th for Bitcoin and Ethereum. So with Gamer, I don't fade him. When he says something, I tend to listen because he drops so much freaking alpha in the chat. Like so much alpha. It's crazy. Absolutely crazy. All right, let's take a look at duko on Sol. I don't know what the hell this is, but we'll take a look because people are requesting it. All right, so this one has been around for a long time. A bunch of people accumulated here, and then it pumped really nicely, and then it dumped. They probably accumulated more. So hopefully this thing does end up going up on another run again. Taking a look, this is the 4-hour. Support is held at about 21559. So if altcoin season continues to persist, which I think it will, just as long as we hold support here at 2159, we should make some nice gains upward, in my personal opinion. Take a look at Squidgrow. And forgive me if I can't find it on the chart, because sometimes that happens to me. So this is Squidgrow. Our market cap is only at like 18.7 million, which is pretty good. The lower market cap stuff generally does well. And even though the chart is kind of going sideways, like even if we zoom out, because we're a little bit of an older project, even if we zoom out a little bit, we had a nice run up and we're just kind of going sideways, which is good. So just as long as support holds over here at like 0.071873, which again, it's a very low level of support, but I think that we will continue to do well. We've got a lot more announcements and things that are being built. So shout out to my Squidgrow family, and my watch is more fancy than Chibs and Mr. Huntsman, and you guys can't tell me nothing. All right. I don't know what some of these are. Dog on runes. I know I need to take a look at dog on runes, but I don't know where the freaking scanner is for that. What is this? I'm not going to say what this says because I think it might be not nice to say, but you guys are ridiculous. Poon, Elfgo, Gummy. Yeah, I need to get the Bitcoin thingamabobber. I just don't know where it is right now. Trying to see if we got any good stuff. Rake off a poo. We'll take a look at a poo because they're always in my mentions all the time. I think that's a community project and somebody rugged and then the community took over. I don't know. So this is a poo. I think this is it. Wrapped ETH, but price is looking pretty good here. This is the daily. Market cap is a bit high at 164 million. But again, that doesn't necessarily mean a bad thing. Taking a look at the 4-hour chart. Looks pretty nice. Looks pretty nice. Looks good. Got to just hold this line and hopefully we'll get back up to about 6827. We go back over here and see what's on. Garf. Yeah, that's a cute one. No brainer. Oh, that's scary. That's scary. I don't like that one. Dorkle. I'm going to check our chats in a minute. We'll take a look at Brett really quick because apparently there's FUD. Something. I don't know. All right. So Brett, let's see. Yeah, it still has almost, wow. There's a bunch of FUD that happened with Brett and this thing went pumped. So wow. So it dropped all the way down to 0.22 and we already 2 times. So I don't know. I think if they can clear the FUD up and they can fix all of that, I think it will rebound. Again, I don't know too much about it. I was just talking about the news stories that came out. But again, if there is a strong enough community, hey. Chronos memes are on fire. Okay. Win XRP ETF, they cannot be considered a security since they won their lawsuit against the SEC. Show us Vitalik dancing on stage again. Not today. Shout out to Loaf. You guys, I don't think, I think BitConnect is still trading. It probably is still trading. If you guys don't know what BitConnect was, that was like a legitimate Ponzi, and like everybody that owned it literally knew it was a Ponzi, but they were still promoting it and talking about it, all kinds of stuff. Yeah, this isn't the real BitConnect. I want to see if it's listed though still. I want to be surprised. But yeah, that was way back when. Yeah, BitConnect. Oh, I don't know if it's real or not. Yeah, I don't know what the hell this is. Who knows? But anyways, I don't know. I'm not seeing really good stuff. Brett and Cret. Gotti token. Honk. This is freaking funny. You guys are ridiculous. So I don't know. Some of the stuff that you guys are like some of the coins are a little bit suggestive and words I don't feel like saying on the internet because, oh, cute. The cat is getting a little haircutty cut. Cat getting fade. This is adorable. This is absolutely adorable. Yeah, stuff like that is fine, but I don't know. Oh, also too, Speed on FTM. I want to talk about that really quick because I think that one is the first meme coin. Hold on. So Speed. Is it Speed or Speedy? Speed or Speedy? FTM. Speedy. No, it's Speedy. I think this was the first meme coin on FTM, and this is Rap Phantom, so I hope it's the right one. But it looks like we had a really nice move up and then downward a little bit. But this one right here, Speedy. Let me see. Let's go to the links over here. I did not know that Phantom was still doing things. I didn't know. And then I saw someone, and I actually made a video about this on TikTok when I was stuck in Dubai because I was like, oh my God, I didn't know Phantom they were still doing anything. So I don't know. I always like to look at these types of things and just, I don't know, because sometimes you can find things early. Like people like Phantom, they're still using it. Where the hell is the links to that? So audit, here we go over here. Oh, token description. Let's see. All right. So it says, I want to read the token description. So Speedy was I'm the fastest dog on the planet, and I agree my home is on the fastest blockchain, which is a Phantom, apparently. Why can't I see the damn websites? I'm just a cuckoo person, maybe. Probably. I don't know. So it looks like it is in a bit of a downtrend, which is fine. So if you are on Phantom, I would like to know some of the other meme coins that are being built there. I really, really, really would. I'm just always curious about it. I'm always curious to see what chains are still active and being used, because that's an opportunity for meme coins in my personal opinion. But yeah, I want to say this is the first Phantom token ever. So anyways, shout out to them. Let's see what else we have. And now they have Speed, so it's different than Speedy. Pink, this is cute. I can't say this one, but they messaged me. They says, look at this tomorrow. We are planning something big. Don't mess with the Rainbow Army. Fetch AI and Ocean. I actually do want to take a look at Fetch AI. That's a more solid one. Okay. It's a real project, you guys, not just a meme. And again, some of the meme stuff like Squidgrow, it ends up like becoming something, they don't be messing around. But anyways, this is FET. This was probably this is the weekly, probably when they announced the news about, thank you, Mixing is freaking awesome for sending me the link. I'll get back to FET. Yes, I'm sorry, Mixing. I'm like all over the darn place. Okay, let's pull this. Mixing's awesome. But yeah, this is with Speedy. I just want to make sure that I know what I'm talking about because, okay, yeah, it's this right here. Is this one. Speedy, the fastest dog chain. Speedinator. This is a Phantom one. Yeah, so now apparently they have a Speed and a Speedy. This was the first one, I believe, though. They're on Spooky Swap and CoinGecko, Phantom Talk, Coin Compare Market Cap. Don't know what that is. There's a roadmap. Supply tokenomics. They've got 1 trillion tokens. So I don't know, pretty cool. Now let's go back to FET. So this is FET over here on the weekly. I believe that FET and Ocean AI are supposed to merge together. Price size, we're not doing too terribly great, but we are in a bit of an uptrend. So I don't know, this is looking pretty decent to me. It looks like you got a nice dip on it. And I would just kind of watch the trend line at about 197 here. Then let me take a look at Ocean. Let's see, Ocean Tether. Same with Ocean. Ocean had a nice move up with the news, and those were kind of here chilling. So again, with stuff like this, I would just draw the trend lines. Well, this is not a good one, but we've got pretty nice support here at about 77 cents, and more support here at about 89 cents. So again, hopefully we get a nice move back up to about $1.10 or 10 cents. Back in the chat, Bitcoin BTC runes meme coin dog. Go to the moon. Now listen on CoinGecko. Okay. Let me go to CoinGecko. Thank you, gamer. Jake wants to do an AMA with Shibtoshi. He should. Shib should do more. I think he's going to do more stuff with like interviews and stuff because he's got a really interesting story. He's very much self-made, and I think that's freaking awesome. Like, I love to hear, and I don't know like his like personal background and stuff. I just know that he's self-made in crypto, and I think that's freaking amazing. So, and gamer, I think I have got the dog airdrop. I think I got to deal with that. Dog with hat categories. All right, so no, not Dogecoin. Let me see, cryptocurrencies by chains. Let's go to chains. Where's Bitcoin? Okay, let's go here. Merlin chain, dog to the moon, pups, ordinals, orange. I have a bag of this. I think it's this one, dogs to the moon. Is this it, Mr. Gamer? Oopsie, sorry. Is this it? Dog to the moon. I don't know if it's this or not. Let's see. Oh, crap. I got to get ready. Damn it. Oh, all right, you guys. I'm running late. I have to go. Because I have brunch I have to get to. Anyways, really quickly. With Bitcoin, I'm not pressed about it. I think we're fine. Personally, I do need to see us trade back above 65,000. If not, just as long as we hold 60,000, I'm cool. I'm chilling. I'm enjoying my life. You should too. But I just want to give a big thank you to everybody who joined. We got a 249 super chat. Let me shout that out really quick. Thank you, Neural AI ticker Neural. Thank you so much, Nonzo. Let me see. Corium, Vic, and XRP request. I will do XRP really quickly. Really quickly for XRP because that's a larger cap. Where the hell is it? XRP. Okay. All right. So it's going to remove the drawings. We're going to go to the weekly with XRP. Okay. So XRP on the weekly. This is actually okay. I like this. Really nice consolidation. We can draw the trend line here, but really we've kind of been consolidating in a nice upward pattern. So if I were you, if this is something you want to continue to accumulate more, I would buy every time we touch. I would even draw a bit of a closer trend line like here. Every time we tap on the trend line, I would probably look to buy and then take a little bit of profit when we get the spikes and then just continue to watch us move up. So that would be a trading idea. But anyways, I have to go. Not your keys, not your coins. Oh, also too, you guys, we're partnered with CoinCatch and Femex. The links are in the description. If you want to trade with me, this is where we're trading right now, and with Coinbase too. But again, not your keys, not your coins. You need to read the terms of service. And when but on base, when you use my ref link, you support me and the channel. But anyways, I got to go. Sending y'all love and light. WendyO is out. Bye-bye. And love you, TikTok. Love you, Cuckoo Birds. Love you. You guys are outstanding. When Ganga Moon? I don't know, honey. Love you guys.